How to access Telegram cloud storage. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can access your Telegram cloud storage. It's quick, simple, and super handy for storing and managing your files. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open up the Telegram app on your phone. And once you are in, there are a few steps to access your cloud storage. To start, go into any chats. For example, let's select a conversation. Simply tap on the chat as if you were going to send a message. Now tap on the paperclip icon in the message bar, and this brings up several options for sharing files. And at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the option label file. Simply tap on that and it will take you to the Telegram built-in cloud storage. From here, you can send or receive files of any type with a file size limit up to 2 GB per document. What's great is that all this file can be accessed from other device where you are logged into your Telegram account. While the standard cloud storage is free and already very useful, Telegram also offers an upgrade if you want more. To check it out, simply go back and tap on settings in the bottom right corner of the app. And from there, you can simply scroll down and select Telegram Premium. And here you will find an option for unlimited cloud storage. With Telegram Premium, not only do you get unlimited cloud storage, but you can also send and receive files up to 4 GB in size per document. This is perfect if you are regularly sharing large files with your friends or colleagues. If you are interested in upgrading, here is the cost breakdown. You can pay $4.99 per month for Telegram Premium, or you can pay for a yearly plan at around $36 for a full year. It's an affordable way to maximize your cloud storage and get access to additional features. And that's how you can access and upgrade your Telegram cloud storage. It's super convenient for managing and sharing files across all your devices. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.